The aerospace industry demands extremely precise machining, and engine components rely on EDM to complete critical processes. Traditional EDM involves complex settings and depends on experience, often leading to rapid electrode wear, long processing times, and unstable results. MIRDC developed Taiwan's first AI-based EDM system for aerospace, which automatically optimizes parameters and monitors the process in real time. Its innovative operation model reduces complexity and management costs, helping manufacturers improve production efficiency. This technology has been adopted by major aerospace manufacturers in Taiwan and is successfully applied in producing critical components. It will expand into more advanced applications, offering complete solutions from equipment to services.